The binding energy of the innermost electron in tungsten is 40 kiloelectron volt. To produce characteristic X-rays using a tungsten target in an X-ray tube, the potential difference V between the cathode and the anti-cathode should be. So given हमें है कि that binding energy of innermost electron in tungsten is equal to 40 kilo electron volt, and to produce characteristic X-rays हमें characteristic X-rays produce करनी है using tungsten target. So ऐसा करने के लिए we applied a potential difference V between the cathode and anti-cathode. ठीक है. So what should be the value of V? So we know to produce the characteristic X-rays, the applied voltage V should be greater than the binding energy, which is 40 kilo electron volt. ठीक है. यहाँ पे हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट नहीं 14 किलो वोल्ट लिखेंगे, because we are talking about the applied voltage, not the energy. So जो applied voltage होगी that will be greater than 40 kilovolt. So option C is the right answer.